Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get longer song using the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the grid icon at the bottom mid or the plus icon. Tap on the custom at the top. Now you will see a boxes for title, lyrics or prompt or style. Here enter your idea or lyrics to get a longer song. Add a note in your prompt asking for a longer duration. If you already have a song and want to make it longer, go to my song or your library. Just tap at the three straight line, tap on the three dot, tap the extend button. SUNO will add more music and lyrics to your song, making it longer while keeping the style and feel. After writing your prompt or extending your song, tap generate or play. Listen to the longer version. If you want even more length, you can extend again or add more details in your prompt. If you like the longer song, tap save to keep it in your library, and that's it. That's how you get longer song on the SUNO mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.